Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw Big PH888 Win. So this guide will help you to do it. So first you have to log in your account, access your PH188 account with your username and password. Navigate to the cashier, locate and click the cashier or banking section often found under my account menu or icon of your user profile. Select Withdrawal. Choose the withdrawal option from the menu. Enter the amount. Type a specific amount you wish to withdraw and be mindful of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits the platform may have, especially for large sums, and choose the payment method. Select your preferred payment method. It's often requirement to use the same method you use for deposits to comply with any thin laundry regulations. Submit a request. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your details and submit the withdrawal request. Monitor status. Can check the status of withdrawal request in the transaction history. And now important considerations for big wins: account verification, KYC, withdrawal policy and limits, and payment method process time in wallets and bank transfer. And also you can contact the support. So that's how you can do it, guys. Remember, this is a Philippines casino, so if you need help you can contact the support there. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this works for you. See you in the next video.